The second one. I didn't even drive on this. Oh, it has a car thing on there. Where? On that sign. Just go down and see. Please lock and remove valuables from car. Okay, yeah. Oh, okay. Woo! That was gonna be hitting some people. Oh wait, we're going somewhere different. They have us on a different trail. Yeah. Oh gosh. Is that good or bad? Do you have pepper spray or anything? No. Wait, where do you usually go? Because where we go, it's like. Wait, let me check on the map. We went to one location. This is different too. Oh, come on. Then we're just gonna have to go. We're just gonna have to go and just find it. Because you just can't walk? You can. You can go, like, there's different directions that you can go. For the creek? For the waterfall? Yeah, like we can go different. We can go there, but it'll just be a new trail. Oh gosh. Are you scared? No, it's just more comforting when you with somebody who know where they at for real. It's like this park has like multiple sections that you can go in from, and we're seeing the water, but normally when me and my family go, like, we don't see the water immediately. So we're gonna see if we can find like the right parking deck so we can go there. And then you're gonna make the little left. Yes, ma'am. There we go. Okay. You seen it before? Yes, we're going to the parking lot. Right. Did what the regular people did. Eucalyptus? Oh. You got this from Bath and Body Works? Yeah, I love eucalyptus. It's a natural repellent to bugs. Babe, I don't know. Y'all, she got her shoes on. Let me see the bottom. Period. We made it, y'all. And I've been here before. I hope we don't have to pay, because why is she up here? Yeah, guys, we're gonna walk to the waterfall. I've been here a couple times with my family. I know the bugs get kinda, but D has like a eucalyptus spray or something. So we'll see. What's what? That road right on that road. And love. Oh, this is really cute. Wait, come to the edge. And so guys, this is my house. So over here we have the entertainment center, you know, where all the guests can come, you know. This is a new path that I got built for my guests, you know, the house parties. I got someone to, what is it called? When you drive people around? A valet, bring people places, and then bathrooms, and this is the guest house over here, and yeah. I thought it was a mountain. That is so beautiful. Look. This is so tea. Wait. Oh my God, you see that hawk? Look, right there. It just flew all the way down. Yo, it's so big. Cool. What are they called? Look, it's about to. Y'all, look at him. Yes! What? We got the apartment! Ooh! Yes! Yo.
Oh my gosh, I'm really jumping for joy.
She said yes?
Yes. Hold on, let me go see the email. Oh my god,
Yo.
oh my gosh, Dolly.
Congrats, Dolly. Oh, it's right there.
You see it again?
It's right there. Huh? Yeah. Look, yo, that's kind of like, that's like mad aggressive. Ooh. So, we're right here.
Oh. Whoa.
Oh, he scared
like
me.
a texture or something. I can't.
Really? Y'all, this looks so cool. There's so many. She talking about, she don't like mushrooms? What?
Like wild mushrooms just don't.
That looks cool. We had randomly had mushrooms like in front of our house.
Really?
Yeah. And then I guess it rained and they're like, they got smushed. I hear the water really loud right here, but we're gonna see if we can find it just by walking because
The water like in the water.
we're gonna listen to the waves and try and find it with the waves. Inside what? The wood?
Yes.
Touch it.
Girl, that could be something. I'm not that curious.
Girl, oh my God. I'm not that curious. So we had some people that were walking with us and they got ahead of us and they told us that the waterfall is here. So we're about to go check it out. We see it, y'all, look. Oh, they lit down there.
Carmen, it's so pretty.
Yo.
Oh my god, turn on.
Oh my gosh. We gotta get down there. I don't think anybody's in it though. Look at the little water.
Let's go.
Yes, we're going. Cause this is what we came here for. Don't be too excited. This is actually really dangerous. What are they doing? Do they not know how to get back up? No. Wait. Low key? Shoes are slippery, but I want to get up there. How am I gonna get up there?
You're not. So go down to the waterfall. If you fall,
What if I just jump? No, it's not. Wait, I'm gonna hang off. Ready? Just stop it, bro. It's so slow.